Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use rain and snow mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the apps icon, the one on the right with white and orange colors. Here you've got a few applications of your car, and one of them is profile. So let's just tap profile. Here you can use a few modes, and one of them is rain and snow mode. Let's just tap it. As you can see, low beams, rare fog, and other settings are set it up. You can read all of the following information here. So rare fog lights will be on, low beams will be on, position lights will be on, front and rear defrost of AC will be also on. So it could be really useful. This profile optimizes the vehicle for slippery condition. It typically adjusts the following settings. So to improve your safety on wet or icy roads, it's important to use this mode. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.